Hello everyone, my name is Ria. I am from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today I will be giving my presentation on the chapter Chemistry of Lanthanides of Element. We have learned the elements in which the last electron enters from the atom are F block elements. In these elements, the last electron is added to the third to the transition element because of constitute transition series within transition series. They consist of two series of elements placed in the bottom and of the periodic table. These two series are formed by filling of electrons in 4f and 5f orbitals and are called lanthanides and actinides respectively. The series involving the filling of 4f orbitals following lanthanum La z is equals to 57 is called lanthanide series. The elements present in the series are called lanthanides. There are 14 elements in the series starting from the cerium and ending with the lutetium. The name of lanthanides is derived from the lanthanum, the first member of the series. These lanthanides are also sometimes referred to as lanthanons. All the elements have closely similar properties and therefore are considered together. A reason for their similar properties in that the 4f orbital in which the electrons are added are embedded in the inner shells, while 5d and 6s electrons which have similar configuration exposed more to the surrounding. Because of their similar physical properties, their separation and identification provided to be very difficult task. The first stage in their separation was get them as oxides. However, the occurrence of oxides of lanthanides are very rare. Therefore, the elements have also been called rare earth metals. Nowadays, the term rare earth is not used. Their substantial deposits occur in Scandinavia, USA, USSR, and India. General characteristics of lanthanides. The important general characteristics of lanthanides are discussed below. First is electronic structure and position in the periodic table. The lanthanides involve the gradual filling of 4f orbital. It may be noted that the energy of 5d and next inner shell f orbital are closely similar, and therefore the order of filling of 4f orbital in the atoms shows quite irregularities. At lanthanum Z is equals to 57, both 5d and 4f orbitals become stable due to the increased effective nuclear charge as a result of poor shielding effect of 6s electrons. Therefore, it is observed from the lanthanum. The incoming electrons enter in 5d orbital and its electronic configuration is uh, xenon FD16S2. However, as we move further from lanthanum to energy of 4f subshell become lower than the 5d subshell. Therefore, the next electron in cerium enters in the 4f subshell. The electronic